Omicron is a word that has now entered your life and it's not going to be leaving anytime soon, I'm afraid, because India is on alert over this new super COVID variant mutant called Omicron. The Ministry of Home Affairs has written a letter to the chief ministers of all states and union territories of the country on Omicron. The centre has advised rigorous screening and testing of all international inbound passengers to India. If they are found positive upon arrival, their samples are to be sent for genome sequencing. It is also said that the contacts of these international travelers must be closely tracked and tested. Meanwhile, states too have stepped up vigil in view of Omicron. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be chairing a key meeting today over the health infrastructure of the national capital. The capital's LNJP is to be a dedicated hospital for the Omicron variant in Delhi. In Karnataka, a South Africa returnee found positive and his samples have been sent for genome sequencing to Pune. State Health Minister is also meeting the Technical Advisory Committee today. Delhi Airport has amped up facilities following travel guidelines and mandatory testing for those coming from at-risk nations, which count at 14 so far.
कि ओमिक्रॉन वेरिएंट अभी दुनिया के 14 कंट्री में पाया गया है और यहाँ उसका अभ्यास हो रहा है। इंडिया में अभी उसका कोई केस रिपोर्ट नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन दुनिया में जिस तरह से इस वायरस के संदर्भ में हमें सूचना मिली है उसको देखते हुए एक एडवाइजरी भी डिक्लेयर की गई है। पोर्ट पर हमने भी देखरेख रखना शुरू कर दिया है। कोई भी ऐसे संदिग्ध केस है तो उसको तुरंत ही चेक करके उसको जीनोमिक सीक्वेंसेस भी करा रहे हैं। कोविड क्राइसिस के दरमियान हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। आज हमारे पास बहुत कुछ संसाधन भी अवेलेबल है, सारी लेबोरेटरी भी अवेलेबल है। कोई भी कैसी भी स्थिति को हम देख सकते हैं।
We have taken strict measures on the borders also. Plus we are keeping a strict vigil in the airport regarding foreign travelers, especially the countries where the new strain Omicron has been detected. And we have made test compulsory. We are taking all precautions. All passengers will be tested. RT-PCR test will be done, and if there is only negative, we will leave. Otherwise, compulsory quarantine will be done.
We are fully prepared to handle all these cases who are referred to us from the affected nations. As you know that more than 10 countries have already have this Omicron virus, and most of these cases are seen in the international travelers. So if any cases referred to us from the airport, we can keep them in the isolation ward. We have the separate 40-bedded facility to admit the sick patients who require oxygen treatment, oxygen therapy, and we have the enough ICU beds.
And here's a report now on all that we know about Omicron and how it has got the world's attention. It answers many of your questions, so pay attention.
Global risk related to the new variant of concern, Omicron, is assessed as very high, says the World Health Organization in its newly released technical paper titled Enhancing Readiness for Omicron. The WHO has identified the fifth variant of concern and it has sent everyone on a tizzy. There is alarm and panic. So with this bolt from the blue, are we back to square one in our fight against COVID-19? Here's what we know about the new variant, Omicron. B.1.1.529 Omicron was first detected in South Africa. It could have originated anywhere but South Africa. It was detected here first. Scientists say the new variant of concern, the fifth one, carries a high number of mutation in its spike protein. In the new variant, there were 50 mutations overall, with more than 30 on the spike protein.
It's that no region, no country, no community and no individual is safe until we are all safe. Emergence of the highly mutated Omicron variant underlines just how perilous and precarious our situation is.
So will the vaccines protect against it, and is it more transmissible?
It is a variant of concern and it has spread very rapidly. We need much more clinical information on the severity of illness, much more clinical information on when it infects a vaccinated person, what it does, how severe is the breakthrough infection.
But where did it really come from? A theory suggests that the new variant is likely to have evolved during a chronic infection of an immunocompromised person. Right now, it has been seen in more than a dozen countries like the Netherlands, Israel, the UK, Canada, Denmark, Australia, Belgium, Botswana, Britain, Denmark, Germany, Hong Kong, Italy, France, and South Africa, where it was first detected. Is the new variant more lethal? The World Health Organization has called for caution in the initial stages of dealing with this variant, saying they don't know yet if it is more lethal, but certainly it can cause reinfections. It can also cause community transmission or clusters. Preliminary information suggests an increased risk of reinfection with this variant. Researchers are still looking into the data on deaths caused by the variant.
We're going to have data on at least a couple hundred more sequencing in the next few days. And I think the clinical information will come in the next week to 2 weeks, after which we will be able to interpret this information.